This butterfly locks hairstyle is so versatile, and if you're like me that likes to wear your hair for the most part curly and want to switch things up a bit, this is a great style option for you. And as you can see, you can wear it sporty and as well as classy, and you can be out shopping, running your errands, looking all glamorous, okay? Work, girl, work it. Hello, Keisha Paris here. How are you doing? Welcome back to our channel. If you are new to our channel, welcome. I am so happy to have you here. Today, this video is going to be about how I get my hair prepped to start a crochet style on my hair. So I want to make sure that I show the base of how I'm going to get this done. Obviously, you can see that my hair is already blown out. I have a video of how I blowed my hair out, so you can check out that video. It's in the description box down below, and also it will be at the end of this video, so check it out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can see all of our upcoming videos. So with no further ado, let me start to show how I lay my base down to get my hair ready for this style, okay? But before I start with the styling, I thought it's only fair that I show you the hair, and I purchased it on Amazon. Before you place it on your hair, soak it in some vinegar water overnight, and this helps to prevent itching on the scalp. And you place it out to dry and then place it on your hair. So you got a point, one. This is also a point. Then right in here, right, and then here. So, and that makes up your face. So you see how this looks? See? So I'm gonna follow the guide, the natural guide of my face. So in that way, when I style this hair, everything is fitting me in the way how it should be naturally. Okay. All right. So I want to make a braid like right here. As you know, in front of the head is much more wider and in the back is much narrower. So you want to create more like a V-shaped parting, where in the back is more narrow, like that V shape that I'm showing there, just like that. So when you're braiding, it's not like so much hair clumped together. So that's why you want to make sure to do that. So good. The mohawk, it's the mohawk, bam, bam, bam. The mohawk rock star is here and fierce and ready to braid. Yes, let's get this. Oh my God, what's in this tea? What's wrong with her? Honey chop. Okay, thank you, tea. I have some energy, honey. Yogi got me covered. Yogi got me covered. Yes, I tell you guys. The girl ready. All right. You gotta like see what you're working with. See what you're working with, girl, before you put it on your hairs. So let me see. Let's see how we gonna go there, gal. So yes, honey, I think this is good. You want a pomade, you want some kind of a pasty something to hold the flyaways in the roots especially, so your style could last for a very long time. So this is glaze and this is wax, right? And QP is gonna get this girl covered. I live in New York, so if you're hearing the ice cream truck in the back, My windows are open, fresh air flowing, and I got my tea, I got my snacks, and I'm ready to bring this style to you. So don't mind the ice cream truck going in the back. We're gonna get this hairstyle done. All right, I'm using this right here. And if I feel like I need some more oil or pasty stuff, this is what I'm going to use, because that's what I saw that I have in my house at the moment. You could also use jam. There is this product called jam that you could also use. And you see how this is? It's very pasty, right? So all you got to do is make sure you get it in there, like so, on all corners. So here, 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 all 4 corners, okay? And you can bring it out if you want to. And if you want to braid it all the way through, you can go right ahead and do that. But to make it easy, walk smarter, not harder. So when you get towards some way mid shaft area, you may just want to stop doing the 3-strand braiding and just start to do a 2-strand to finish the process much faster, okay? And you see how fast you're gonna be going? It's like Speedy, Speedy Gonzalez. And then this is about fine because you're going to be joining this part with the other part. So we want to add a little bit more moisture, so we're going to use the wax and you're going to place it on the rest of the hair. And this helps to add more moisture, like I said, and protect the hair while it's underneath the locks. And here is another tip to move the process along faster. This is how you're going to do all the way back. Right? I was just thinking that I want to show you guys the difference between this and the jam. So I'm gonna throw on my hoodie here to go to the beauty supply store looking like Princess Leia from Star Wars. Glamorous. They're gonna be like, oh, did she come from space looking like this in the street? So this is how much I'm doing for you guys. I'm going outside looking like a hot mess to get the product to show you guys how the difference between the glaze and the jam. So let me step out of here and come right back, okay? Princess Leia is back. Girl, I went to the store looking like this, but I cover myself up. And like, look what I got, look what I got, look what I got. I got the jam. I haven't used jam in such a long time because my hair is always like curly, big. So there is no need for me to keep this in my house. However, I always have this. So that's why I was like, okay, I'm gonna use this for this style. And it worked. As you guys saw, it worked. But I was thinking as I'm videoing, I'm like, I want to show you guys how this works as well. Like, it's very like pasty. It's pasty just the same way as this is pasty too, but it has more oil in there. And let's try this guy. This one is also pasty. So all three are pasty and sticky. So you wanna get something, you wanna get a product like one of these to style the hair. So let's feel the consistency of this one. I like that. That's good. Let me try this one. So this feels just about the same as this, but for consistency wise, I think I'm still loving this. Let's give it a test drive to see which product holds up better, whether it's the QP glaze or the jam. Let's see. And we've got the winner. The QP is it. Okay, now let's do the happy dance. Whoop, 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 whoop. All right now. After you finish connecting the single braids in the back there, you wanna do a regular braid all the way down, and you're gonna be doing that for the entire back of the head. Because after you finish installing the locks extensions, the hair falls down anyways and no one sees there, and even if you put it up, there is enough hair to cover that space, right? Walk smarter, not harder. You want to open up the crochet needle like so, slide it in between the braid, then take the crochet locks, open it, and then place it on there. Close the flap and then slide it through, but very slowly. As you can see, now insert it into the hole, pull it through, and try to secure it the best you can. Give it a tug. And there you go, you got the first one in. You're going to move on to the second one, but this time you could use the tail comb to open up the locks, especially sometimes it's kind of challenging to open, so that's a great tip. It's jump rope time. It's time to secure that loose hanging piece of braid, and as we know, that's the tricky part. And this extra little piece here, we'll work on that later. You'll see what I did with that. First, let's focus on locking that lock on top of these two pieces of braid there. So you're kind of using the lock as the thread for the needle, so it's holding the braids together. And you're going to continue to do the same technique all the way down. This one I didn't lock it into the next braid. I didn't even realize that, but pretty much you get the idea. I just thought I should mention that I created this hairstyle for a special occasion, and you saw me with that beautiful gung in the beginning of the video, so that's what I wore and that's how I looked. So I'll make sure I place the video of that special occasion in the description box down below or at the end of the video, okay? Now we are moving on to sectioning the rest of the hair on that side of the head. Here we are going to separate the sections of the hair In the front, we're going to use for regular single braids, and in the back there, we're going to use to do the regular braid straight down in the back. So we're going to just get that out of the way so we know where we're going to start and where we're going to end. Okay, makes sense? On the second section, you're going to do the same braiding technique as you did for the first. You're going to take that loose piece of hair that was hanging there that you saw earlier and braid it down into the single braid. And in that way, it's going to secure so much better, and the locks will be so much more secure on that first section of hair, right? Now I am going to braid one single loose braid down into one instead of having two, and then you're going to bring it up just the same as I did for that other one, but instead here you're going to interlock the hair into the braid using the needle to do so. You see? So pretty much you want to lay a great foundation to get this style done. And you could have created something else, use your creativity. Just want that great foundation to get it done. So here I am starting to put the locks on there, and we're pretty much going to be doing the same thing as I did with the second section. You just want to make sure that it's secure within both of the braid there, you see, and pull it through. All right, so I'm gonna do the other side the same way. Yes, 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 you're seeing the whole works. Make sure to feed yourself and stay hydrated while getting the style done. There she is going all food happy because this style could take quite some time, so make sure that you're doing all of that while you're getting all glam, okay? Let's get the party going. So here I'm adding some extra pieces of hair there, as you can see, and it's going to make it look so much better. I just thought about that, and as you can see, it is making it look so much better. So just do what you think you need to do to make it look better as you go along, right? Make it into what you wanna. It's time to sleek the edges down. You can use your fingers to do so. This is just an extra bonus. You don't have to sleek the edges down if you don't want to. I personally don't really like doing that, but I just wanted to show that you can use your fingers or the comb and brush attachment here to get that done. And you slick it down the best you can. Nothing much to it. Very simple. All right. I am really loving this. It's beautiful, and with this length, it's not too heavy. Thank you for watching. I really hope that you love this technique. Blessings, peace. See you on our next upload. Bye-bye. I really love it. I really love it.